Summary of the NEBOSH IG2 Risk Assessment. Purpose of IG2. The IG2 assessment is a practical risk assessment that tests your ability to identify and assess workplace hazards, recommend appropriate control measures, prioritize actions, and justify them. Demonstrate knowledge from elements 1 to 11 of the NEBOSH IG syllabus. Assessment requirements. You must complete the following 4 parts. Description of the organization and methodology used. Describe your workplace, size, number of workers, operations, location. Define the scope of the assessment, whole site or part. Explain how hazards were identified, inspections, interviews, records. Risk assessment table. Identify at least 10 hazards from 5+ hazard categories. Elements 5 to 11. Fill out 6 columns. Hazard and category, who may be harmed and how existing controls, additional controls, actions, time scales, responsible person's job role. Prioritize 3 actions. Choose your top 3 urgent actions.